Welcome to fernancoops, into my next adventure with my chickens. Today we're going to talk about how to feed the chickens. But first, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave the comments below, ring the bell, and share with everyone else. Let's get to it. So the organic food provides them no chemicals, because chemicals are harmful for them and we don't want that. Also, sometimes you like to feed them that, but no, you cannot, because if you do, they can get sick, and we don't want that. We don't want sick chicken, because if you do, everyone else will get sick, and we do not want that. But first, now, let's get all that chemical stuff. Now, let me tell you what you can feed them. You can feed them just regular vegetables, fruits, and scraps that you eat, but not meat or any candy, because that'll get them sick, same as the chemicals, and we don't want that too. So, we have in this bowl broccoli, parsley, lettuce. At the bottom we have apples and oranges. These are examples of great foods for them. Let's get to the water. The water is simple, just regular water, but not just regular water. You should add apple cider vinegar and garlic to them, because that allows them for no disease or sickness going around as chemical or any junk food for them. So, the chicken layer food provides them with nutrition and balance for them. For example, like essentials, greens allow them to digest all the food they eat because they don't have teeth. So that allows them to digest it. The seashells allows them to have calcium. The calcium allows the eggs to be beautiful and won't break easily. So if we feed all the chickens everything that are nutritious, it allows them to give us good meat and beautiful eggs for we can enjoy and make delicious foods with them. So thank you for watching. I'm Fernan from fernancoops, and today was the best day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave the comments below, share, ring the bell, and like. Have a good day. What? Go in? Oh, feed them the broccoli. Okay. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Bye.